Joke of the day. Number 156. The weird leg noises. A man went to the doctor. He said, "Doc, you gotta check my leg. Something's wrong. Just put your ear up to my thigh, you'll hear it." The doctor cautiously placed his ear to the man's thigh only to hear, "Gimme $20, I really need $20. I've never seen or heard anything like this before. How long has this been going on?" The doctor asked. "That's nothing, Doc, put your ear to my knee." The doctor put his ear to the man's knee and heard it say, "Man, I really need $10, just lend me $10. Sir, I really don't know what to tell you. I've never seen anything like this." The doctor was dumbfounded. "Wait, Doc, that's not it. There's more, just put your ear up to my ankle," the man urged him. The doctor did as the man said and was blown away to hear his ankle plead, "Please, I just need $5. Lend me $5 please if you can." "I have no idea what to tell you," the doctor said. "There's nothing about it in my books," he said as he frantically searched all his medical reference books. "I can make a well-educated guess though. Based on life and all my previous experience, I can tell you that your leg appears to be broke in 3 places."